Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see it's very interesting video for all European Union users and subscribers how to rent car on Share Now. This website and that platform, it's quite amazing. You can rent a car within like a 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer or 5 kilometer. You are something doing as a nearest location, you just download this application, sign up and search which location some cars are available. On those cars it's quite expensive, like a BMW, Audi, Mercedes, such kind of cars are available. You can use your mobile application, unlock the car and open the door and access the key card and drive yourself and then reach XYZ location and then quit the car in this particular location and you pay very less amount of money. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. First of all, I will show you in website and then we download the application and just type here in the Google Share Now, enter. So first link is display here. Currently I am located on Denmark. So Denmark related options are there, like here explore now, get 20% off from 200 krona 3 hours, mint as Indian currency like a 2000 for 3 hours in the car, like a BMW, Mercedes, Audi, such kind of cars. So let's start as a mobile screen. We download first of all. So here is my mobile. I just simply open here App Store. Same process you can do your Android phone also. I just type here share now. The first link is display here. Look at the Share Now. Go to car to go and drive. I already download this application. Select your location, allow, let some basic information comes here. First 20% off 3 hours, like Mercedes, BMW, flat 50, some different prices are available here. Which currency, like Mercedes Benz is expensive, BMW is less expensive, Mercedes Benz A class is less expensive and then BMW i3 class is 240 and then flat 500e class the 200 per 3 hours. It's cheap, but you can use other cars also, so price is reduced and then save your money. So I go here, we can just type simply start now. I just download this application and start now. So skip the registration. If you want skip the registration, you skip, otherwise I am registered here first of all. So everyone register where do you want drive in this particular car. So some other European countries are there, like Austria, Denmark, France, Germany, Hungary, Italy, Netherlands and Spain. So if you are living or if you are traveling on those countries, so you download this application and enjoy your tour plan or some personal. So I just type here my email address, add my password here and add your 4-digit PIN number. Title Mr. First name on your driving license, it's needed to driving license. So I just simply type here Sangram Singh. Type your last name, date of birth, your address here Copenhagen, my mobile number. If you have promo code, you type here. If you have not promo code, you just skip it and register and then add it here your card related information. So I just simply type here my card related information. First of all, I type here my name and then type here. And now thank you for joining. I join this particular Share Now application back. So look at this here. This is my profile. Here is my location and some cars are available here near of my address. So here is one car is there available, like this BMW I class. Click the reserve button, start the button and then charging. This one is a charging base car, not is a diesel, like a 90% charging is there. 4-seater is there, automatic, electronic and baby seats also available here. So such kind of facilities are available in this car location, like 6 minutes by walking, 450 meter. Other car is also available here, like a CV51526 BMW first 1 series car and second car is there, and number of cars are available on near to my location and I can very easily click the car pictures, reserve the car and start the journey. You just put it here, driving license, name, first name, last name, and follow traffic rules. Book the car using this application and unlock the car as you seeing this particular video, and enjoy your important work or traveling work. It's quite amazing. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.